Welcome to the Jamaica Customs Agency Anti-Corruption Panel Discussion and Luncheon 2024. Corruption is an insidious plague that has a wide range of corrosive effects on society. It undermines democracy and the rule of law, leads to violations of human rights, distorts markets, erodes the quality of life, and allows organized crime, terrorism, and other threats to human security to flourish.
Anybody who looks at and says, okay, there is an opportunity for me to cut the corners and do this, I can make a short term, that is not going to be highly successful and sustainable for the long term. And that's the difference. That's what we need to, as a society, we need to speak more about building that knowledge, that awareness for the need for us to think more long-term in everything that we do. The environment, sustainability, businesses, relationships, the home, the values, etc.
The first day that you slip, the first day that you do something that you're not supposed to do at the behest of someone who is corrupt, they have you for life. Right? You're never going to get from under their thumb. That is it for you. So make the right decision every single day. The money is not worth it. The house is not worth it. If you keep pushing, it will come. And it may not come to the extent that you might dream of, but you don't want to be under somebody's thumb for the rest of your life.
It is not just the support, indirectly and directly, that corruption gives to organized crime, to the environment that we operate in Jamaica that we all complain about. So I think it's stepping back as leaders and recognizing the impact of maybe these small things or the things that we take for granted, but the impact they have on the culture of how we operate in Jamaica.
The Jamaica Customs Agency is serious about preventing and combating corruption through the implementation of practical solutions.
For customs, the value system is capit, and for other entities, they have their value system. And once we are always not thinking about ourselves, but thinking about the society, the community, customer.
Integrity is a crucial part of our operations at Customs and is also one of our core values. The agency has strategically sought to institutionalize how we operate through the establishment of the Internal Affairs Division and further builds out on this division with the introduction of an anti-corruption and integrity section.
Every time the public, our stakeholders, our clients, interface with us, they encounter ethical behavior, and it forces them to comply in order to achieve their objectives. And this is in addition to all the other points raised. But it's very important for us to maintain what we're doing and to build upon what we're doing and to ensure that it's not just ethical leadership in a silo, but the aim of ethical leadership is to establish and to develop an ethical organization.
As leaders within an organizational context, as leaders within society, whether we want to admit that people look to us for inspiration, guidance, and obviously for example, that we have to set the tone and we have to do things in a consistent and an appropriate way within the context of the approved norms, legislation, policy, regulation at whatever level.
What we have to do is lead by example and lead from the front and actually live it. Live an ethical life within your business life and in your personal life, and those are the things that are going to permeate throughout your organization.
It gives me great pleasure to inform you of one of our key achievements that demonstrates our commitment to our core values and the delivery of quality service. Team Customs, of course, you know that. That is, in 2023, the Jamaica Customs Agency received ISO 9001 2015 certification in quality management system.